Hello and welcome all back to my channel. This is on my Huawei P20 mobile phone. What do you think? And by the way, no, I don't have two hats on. It's just the old-fashioned hat, so I've folded it twice, and yes, I look like a knob, but I don't really care because this is not about me. This is about my bike. Basically, you'll see my bike in a minute or two, me revving it, showing you a little bit what you think of it. Here's a question. Last summer, I bought a bike just over a year ago. Just had it MOT'd recently in September. It's now December, obviously, and I bought the bike, rid it around for a bit. Didn't ride it obviously in the winter. Well, I did it a little bit in the winter, and then I did a bit during the spring, and then I got a job driving, so I didn't have time to go out on it because I might have got back at 8 and 9 o'clock. Then I got an opportunity to work on the CBB show 4 O'Clock Club, which is airing now on CBBCs and also on BBC iPlayer. If you want to catch that, it's a great show, great cast, great crew, and my credit will be on there as a sound trainee. I hope. I'm going to check tonight. Hopefully it is. But obviously I was doing 13-hour days, 65-hour weeks or whatever. Didn't have time to my bike because I got home and I fell asleep on the couch, understandably. So this bike is on 20,000 miles, 20,400 I think, something like that. And I've done it in just over a year. I've done 1,500 miles. Now this is the asked question. I just had it MOT'd, couldn't have it serviced because some idiot decided to jump in front of my car. It wasn't hurt majorly and my car's okay, but it means I had to pay out because he's uninsured. I had to pay out to get my car fixed, so I couldn't get the service. So it is due a service, which I will get it done soon. The question is, do I sell the bike because my working life could become, I can't do it again over the summer if it is busy again, or do I keep the bike for this summer, see how I get on with work, if I can go on it, use it. If I don't, then think of other options and sell the bike while I can. As the thing is that it's £10,000, comes with panniers and in the top box, but I won't be. So I don't think I'll be selling it with the sat nav that comes with the nav 5. That's £500, and that can be added to any other bike, any other BMW bike as I want. So the question is, do I sell or do I keep? This summer or next summer? This coming summer, I should say, or next summer? Do I keep? Do I sell? What do you think? It's basically a £10,000 machine stuck in a garage because I'm working long hours and don't have time to go on it. Or do I keep for another summer, as I said, and try and go on it this summer? If I don't, then look to sell it next year. Get its MOT, get it service next year, and then sell it then. What do you guys think? Put a comment in the top below. This is basically an R1200GS by BMW Enduro 13 plate, as you will see. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna click to show you basically it turned over and see what you think. Give you a bit of a whatever. So there you go. So, what did you think of that bike? Loud, I know. It's not like, if you want to see it more, the cold start. There's one on another video in my listing called 2 BMWs 2 cold starts. view that if you want, see what you think of, because I've got a car as well, a BMW 116i Sport template. So yeah, I don't have all brand new cars, but what do you think of that bike? Do you think I should keep it? Because it's fully loaded, I can't do anything about it. Also there's another video about quite far down the set that's called my fully loaded bikes. You'll see the full view of what my bike is like, a full walk around of my bike, what it has. I can't do anything else with the bike, so there's no upgrades I can do. The only thing I can actually do with anything is get inside bags for my panniers, which, what's the point in that? They're expensive, can't be bothered. So do I get rid of it? Do I sell it? You tell me what you think. Do I sell it? Do I keep it? If I sold it, what next bike should I get? Even when I get another bike? Or do I keep this bike, or do I upgrade this bike to another one that's not got as much stuff on it that I can upgrade to make it more customised and better? You tell me what you think, and don't forget to basically, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, tell me what you think of my bike. Don't forget to subscribe down there, click the notification bell. All the views and subscriptions I appreciate. I appreciate the last 4 subscribers I've got in the past week or something. That I really appreciate it. Keep getting those subscriptions going. I want to see them coming up. I really do appreciate it. As I said, this is filmed on a Huawei P20, 128 gig. What do you think of it for this video and the sound to my Sony Cybershot WX500 that I normally use? If so, I use this more. Anyway, as I said before, don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching, keep clicking like, and I'll see you soon for hopefully plenty more videos to come. Bye bye.